Welcome to Gentium, where our mission is to inspire young men to become better gentlemen. I'm your host, Rashid. I'm here to teach you guys today about the first thing you need to do when you buy a suit. When you purchase a suit, after you've had it fitted, styled, tailored to you, and you feel confident and empowered by the suit you now have, you have to make sure it looks good for years to come. First thing you're going to need to do, find a good storage bag, because oxidation can occur. You don't want dust on your clothes. It's not a good look. The second thing that you're going to want to do, and this one is the most important, is to find a dry cleaner that you trust. Not all dry cleaners are the same. Not all dry cleaners deal with garments the same. You want to make sure that you have a good storage, and you want to make sure that you have a good maintenance. Now, before you actually wear the suit outside, I would always recommend to pass a lint brush over top of it. Even if you cannot see it, it does make a big difference in how your suit is going to be received and how people are going to view it. Overall care. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, you have any video suggestions that you'd like to see us review here at Gentium, feel free to comment down below. We love to engage with you guys. All right? As always, stay classy.